I'll explain what SEO keyword clustering is, and I'll show you a cool AI tool that can help you do this faster and better. Let's dive in. SEO clustering is grouping of interconnected, thematically related tags for a website. First, let's talk about a common problem. Keyword overlap. If you ever try to rank for a ton of keywords in any niche, you know that not all of them are relevant. Even when you filter down the too easy to rank keywords, you'll find that some overlap in search intent or don't fit your site at all. For instance, let's say you're in the bird niche. You wouldn't want to rank for something like two birds on a wire lyrics. That's completely irrelevant. So how do you scale your keyword research without wasting time on irrelevant keywords? That's where keyword clustering comes in. It's the process of grouping similar keywords together based on a topic or search intent. This helps you better organize your content and target multiple keywords with just a few focused pages. Plus, it ensures your content is more relevant and targeted, which means better rankings. And instead of creating one page for each keyword, keyword clustering allows you to target a whole group of similar keywords with one page, saving you time and effort. Until recently, automating keyword clustering at scale was tough, but with AI we can now do it easily for free and at scale. Simply go to Cluster AI's website and click on Try for free. Log in with your email and password, fill in their custom questionnaire, and you'll be redirected to the tool. If you don't want to go through that whole process, here's a free alternative. Tell GPT what the goal is, grouping similar keywords together based on search intent, then add the structures to filter out irrelevant keywords and remove duplicates. Paste a list of keywords here and hit enter. It will immediately start grouping the keywords by their intent. This is a massive time saver, and this tool also filters out irrelevant keywords or any unrelated content that has nothing to do with your original keywords. Now if you want to tweak the tool, it's super easy. Just add some extra instructions or ask it to fix up some keywords.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.